Amílcar Lopes Cabral was born on September 12, 1924.
He was born in the town of Bafata, Portuguese Guinea, located in modern-day Guinea-Bissau, to Cape Verdean parents, Juvenal Antonio Lopes de Costa Cabral and Iva Pinhel Lavora, both hailing from Santiago. While back in Africa, starting in 1953, he conducted an agricultural census in Portuguese Guinea in which he would travel more than 60,000 kilometers. This allowed him to become intimately familiar with the people and land of Portuguese Guinea, understanding that undoubtedly was helpful in the guerrilla war he would go on to fight. From 1963 to his assassination on January 20, 1973, in Conakry, Guinea, Cabral led the Paix guerrilla movement in Portuguese Guinea against the Portuguese government,
which evolved into one of the most successful wars of independence in modern African history. The goal of the conflict was to attain independence for both Portuguese Guinea and Cape Verde.
Over the course of the conflict, as the movement captured territory from the Portuguese, Cabral became the de facto leader of a large portion of what became Guinea-Bissau. Cabral's efforts in the guerrilla war against the Portuguese military were matched by his contributions to the literature of national liberation. Cabral's main contribution was his study of colonized identity and leadership in the context of national liberation, class consciousness, and Marxian theory.
One of the most lucid and brilliant leaders in Africa.
Comrade Amílcar Cabral, who instilled in us tremendous confidence in the future and the success of his struggle for liberation. These are the words of Fidel Castro, at the Tricontinental Conference 1966 in Havana, Cuba. He was voted the second greatest leader in the world in a poll conducted by BBC World History magazine in March 2020. A true African hero.